If your lats aren't growing, the problem might not be your workout. Thousands of people spend months doing pull-ups, rows, and lat pull-downs, yet their backs still look flat from the front. So what's missing? Why do some people develop that wide V-taper back while others stay stuck? Here's the surprising part. Most people train their back, but never actually train their lats. The exercises you choose can quietly decide whether your back grows or stays the same for years. Exercise 1. Pull-ups. If you do pull-ups, you will build real lat width and start creating that V-taper back. Keep your chest slightly up, drive your elbows down, and avoid swinging. Exercise 2. Close grip lat pull-down, cable. If you do close grip lat pull-downs, you will train your lats with a strong contraction and full range of motion. Pull the handle towards your upper chest while keeping your elbows close to your body. Exercise 3. One-arm row. If you do one-arm rows, you will build thicker and stronger lats. Pull the dumbbell toward your hip, not your chest, to keep the tension on your lats. Exercise 4. Bar lat pull-down. If you do bar lat pull-downs, you will create a deep stretch and strong contraction in your lats. Grip slightly wider than shoulders and pull the bar to your upper chest with control. Exercise 5. Straight arm pull-down. If you do straight arm pull-downs, you will develop a strong mind-muscle connection with your lats. Keep your arms nearly straight and pull the bar down toward your thighs slowly. These exercises work,